Hello. I'm gonna show you how to do a foundation chain now. So we just need to start with a slip knot on the hook, and then I'm just wrapping the yarn around my hand, and I'm gonna wrap the yarn around my hook like this. And then I'm just gonna use the hook tip of the crochet hook, grab the yarn, grab the loop there, and then I'm just gonna pull it through the other loop that I've got on my hook. So now again I've got one loop on my hook, so I'm gonna wrap the yarn around my hook. I'm gonna grab it with the tip of my hook, and I'm just gonna pull it through the loop. And now I've got two chains here. This is one and this is number two. This one on my hook does not count as a chain. So let's do it again. So I'm gonna yarn around my hook and then pull the yarn through the loop, and that's my third chain, foundation chain. It can take a bit of practice to get the tension right, but it's as easy as just wrap the yarn around the crochet hook and pull it through the loop. So the loop on the hook does not count as a foundation chain. This here is my first chain, this is my second one, this is my third one, and this is my fourth one.